front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this phone. So at first let's open Google Chrome, as this is the browser that I am using. Then tap on More icon and select History. Tap on Clear Browsing Data then, and you will notice Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cached Images and Files. And then under Advanced, you've got a few more, and you just need to mark those that you would like to apply. So these are saved passwords, auto clear from data, and site settings. Then tap on Clear Data. I went back. So then just change the time range, so you can pick last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I picked all time because I would like to perform a full cleanup, and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, that's it, it has been performed. And that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.